Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a golf club shaft at home. First, gather all your essential tools, including a heat gun, a shaft extractor, and two-part golf club epoxy. You'll also need a new ferrule and a sturdy vise. Before you begin, protect your club head by wrapping it in a thick cloth or using a specialized hosel clamp. This crucial step helps prevent any cosmetic damage to your club during the shaft removal process. Now let's remove the old shaft. Secure the club head in your vise, ensuring it's stable. Using your heat gun, apply heat evenly around the hosel for approximately 30 to 45 seconds. Be careful not to overheat the area. Once the epoxy softens, gently twist and pull the old shaft out. A shaft extractor can make this step much easier and safer for your club. With the old shaft removed, it's time to prepare for the new one. Use a wire brush or a drill bit designed for hosel cleaning to remove all residual epoxy and debris from inside the hosel. A clean hosel is vital for a strong bond. Next, lightly sand the tip of your new shaft, creating a rough surface. This helps the epoxy adhere properly for a secure fit. For the final step, mix your two-part golf club epoxy thoroughly, following the manufacturer's specific instructions. Apply a generous, even coat of epoxy to the prepared shaft tip and inside the hosel. Carefully insert the new shaft, ensuring it's fully seated and aligned correctly. Wipe away any excess epoxy immediately. Allow the club to cure undisturbed for at least 24 hours.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.